Hi, I'm here back with the DIY Home Improvement Canada, and today's video about four-way switch. Four-way switch that you can control your light from more than two switches. So when we have two switches, that is called a three-way switch. So today's video is about a four-way switch that I can control my light from this switch in my kitchen. Turn on the light from here, and then I go to the next switch, and this is the next switch, and I can turn it off the light from here, and then I can walk to this switch here. So that's another switch. So this is, I can off the on and off from here. So a four-way switch that you can operate switch more than two, and then we call it a four-way switch, and it's very easy. It's not a complicated, and let's do it. So this is a demonstration that I done already, and we can turn it on. So this is a switch number one, you can turn on, and then switch number two, which is a four-way switch, turn off, and then turn it on. And then I can come back to the switch number one, and I can turn it off, on, off, and on. And this is a four-way switch, and let me go and open it. Again, before doing any electrical work, because this is 120 volt, and electrical system is not friendly. So make sure that if you are not competent and you don't know what you are doing, hire a certified electrician or check with your local municipality and local jurisdiction, and ask for permit and ask for requirement. And this demonstration is just for educational purposes and just for hobbyer, and if you like it, you can check my more video. And also I have a video done three-way switch method 1 and three-way switch method 2. I'll drop the link in the description box, and if you want to review it, you can go and watch those videos. Doing a wiring for a four-way switch, we use this wire, and that wire has three conductor inserts. So the ground wire, and another red wire, black wire, and a white neutral wire. And also we have this wire, that is the 14-2 wire, and it has a neutral, ground, and a black wire. So I'll explain you here. So see this wire, that wire is a 14-2 wire, and it has only two wires in it. And the other one is a 14-3 wire. The 14-3 wires coming to here, and from here to this, on that has a three wire inside. So 1, 2, 3, and a ground wire. So four-way switch is a little bit different. You can see here that a four-way switch, and I can bring more closer. The four-way switch has two black terminal, 1 and 2, and then two terminal on the bottom. So these two black terminal and two on the bottom, you can see that one is this side, one is this side. So black two terminal, and the top that two terminals. So how we make those connection, we'll go from there. Okay, on this demonstration, the power is coming from the top to the light. So this is method number 3 for the four-way switch. The power is coming from the top. So when the power is coming from the top, so these two wires, which is a neutral, the neutral wire go directly to the light. So that's problem solved. Neutral wire is going to the light directly, and then the hot wire will go to the one is coming from this switch. So this switch 14-2 wire coming to the lighting box. So what do? We'll take this hot wire, and then we will make this connection together. So I got these digital windows. So these two wires together. So and the black wire already put it on other side of the this neutral, and that will come back all the way from that switch. So when I come this side, so now I got neutral is in, and then this heart, I'll take the two white wires. So one is coming from this side and one white wire is coming from the top, which become the heart because we are putting black tape there as identifier. So these turn into the heart. So I'll make this together, and now my power came up to here. Now from there my power jumped to this box. That's gonna be a 4-way switch, and then both whites, I'll take it and I'll connect together, and then my power is continue traveling to this box. Now my power is here, and then what I'm gonna do, I'll take a 3-way switch, and I'll take a switch, and then I will put this switch, and then I put my connection to here, to the black. So that black, I'll just make that connection to the black switch. Now I got these two wires. I can put one on this terminal, and the other one I'll put on the other side of the switch, so this terminal. Okay, so that been taken care. Now I got the 4 wires, right? 2 and 2, 4. So I'll take my 4-way switch. So I'm gonna put these 2 on top. So I'll put these 2 wires on the one is to the black. The 2 is coming from other side, and then other one I put to other side of the 4-way switch to the black terminal. So I make sure, make it tight. It's pretty tight. Now these 2 wire I can do same. So one is this side, make it loose a little bit so I can snug and tie it inside. Yeah. Okay, and the other one I'll do other side. So load it up a little bit and snug tight. Okay, so this is taken care, and then this switch, same thing. I'll put the one is coming from that side. Actually, the one is going to the light, so I'll put to the black terminal. So that will put to the black terminal. Make it tight, good. And then other one I'll put either side. Make it tight. And then this black one to other side, this terminal. So just make sure that it's tight. Just make sure that is snug and tight. Okay, right, and this is taken care. Okay, so this is how we do a four-way switch, and four-way switches always come in the middle. So the middle one is going to be a four-way switch, and then you can add more switches in it, and you can go as long as if you got a bigger house there. So again, I do have a lot of other videos about electrical, and you can go in my YouTube channel and take a look. And if you have any question, any comment, or any suggestion, so that I can do more improvement in my videos, thank you very much. And again, if you subscribe it or drop some comments, this way we will get motivations, and we will bring more videos for you. Till thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.